Wave nature of electrons. It has been made clear that if a substance is divided into finer and finer pieces, we reach molecules and atoms, then we realize that the atoms consist of electrons and nuclei. It has been clarified that matter is a collection of ultramicroscopic particles. Up to the 19th century, these particles were considered to move obeying Newtonian mechanics and Maxwellian electromagnetism. However, this viewpoint has become doubtful after the proposal of the Bohr model of the atomic structure, Bohr's quantum theory. On the other hand, light had been considered to be electromagnetic waves. However, after the discovery of light, quanta, photons, it was clarified that the light has wave nature at one time and particle nature at another time. Therefore, light has a kind of duality. The idea of de Broglie wave nature waves or de Broglie matter waves is based on the fact that light has both wave and particle nature.